The lavatory service panel is located on the right side of the aft fuselage. Open the service door. The controls consist of a drain port, 2 valve levers, a drain control handle, and a filling port. To empty the waste system, open the cap assembly and connect the fill hose and, next to it, the drain hose. Next to the drain connection is a small lever marked Open. Push this lever in the direction of the arrow. Pull the drain control handle outward to the extended position. This allows waste materials to flow from the drain port. When the system is drained, return the control handle to the closed position. Rinse the tank using 5.3 gallons or 20 liters of disinfectant commonly called blue juice. Stop the pump. Now drain the system by opening the control handle. Once drained, return the handle to the normal position. Replenish with 2.6 gallons or 10 liters of blue juice. You are now ready to disconnect hoses and replace the connection caps on the drain and rinse ports. By closing the drain cap, the drain valve automatically closes. Clean and dry the panel with a clean cloth, and do not forget to close the service door.